How to upload Loom video to Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload Loom video on Google Drive. It's super simple, so let's get started. First, you need to head over to your Loom video that you have created before, and once you have done that, you need to click on three dots over here that says more actions. You need to simply go ahead and click on that, and once you do that, you can see a lot of options over here. You need to simply go ahead and click on download video. And as you can see that the video has now started to download, you need to simply go ahead and click on the folder where the video has been uploaded. You need to simply go to your drive. In order to do that, you need to head back to your browser, and from here in the search bar you need to type drive. Then you simply click and open Google Drive. Now that you're in your Google Drive, you need to simply click on new option over here, and from here you need to click on file upload. And once you do that, go ahead and find the video that you have downloaded before from Loom. Now simply click on that, and from here click on open. And once it's done, your video will be uploaded from Loom to Google Drive. It's that simple. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.